Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm going to share to you a tutorial on how to use a sleep timer feature on Spotify. So a sleep timer feature is used when you want to listen to music, for example on the road, or when you want to sleep but you can't sleep and you want to listen to music but you don't want to spend your battery on your phone because it plays overnight. So you can use the sleep timer feature to do that. And for example, if you want to use the feature, for example, I want to listen to the song and I want to set it for like 1 hour, you can just click on the three dots icon at the top, and here you'll find the sleep timer. Just click on that, and here you can set it the apps to stop the audio in 5 minutes until the end of the track, or 1 hour maximum. The maximum time is 1 hour. You can just choose one of them. For example, I want to 1 hour, and after 1 hour the Spotify will automatically stop the song that is played. Okay, so I think that's all. That is how you can use a sleep timer feature on Spotify. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please consider like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next videos. Bye bye.